Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. After deleting a contact, sometimes you want to restore it, but you don't know how. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your contact back to your phone. Before I start, please make sure to hit the subscribe button to see more content like this. In this video, I'm going to use two favorite contacts of mine, Sweet Mommy, two contacts. Delete it and restore it back in a few steps. Of course, in real time I will not delete it, but this is just for demonstration. So first I'll tap on the contact that I want to delete and go to the delete button and delete it. I will also do the same to this contact. Also go and hit the delete button. So once here, there are two approaches to this. First, you locate your browser if you are using a Mozilla Firefox, Chrome, or any of the browsers that you have. Go to Google search engine. So here I'm going to google.com. The search engine, I will type Google contacts and hit search. I'll then tap on the first search engine with this best match, Google contacts, and search. So wait for it a little for the whole page to upload. So once here, I'll locate the topmost 3 ellipses on my left and tap on it. I'll then scroll down to where I'm seeing bin. So I'll tap on the bin. So you'll notice that the contact I've deleted have appeared here. Sweet Mommy and Sweet Mommy. So from this, I can restore it back from here to recover, or I can also go back to the contact and go to the topmost right beside my picture and tap on the settings icon. Here I'll pick undo changes. So I have a freedom of picking the various timeline that any actions that I've deleted will be restored. So here I can pick the 10 minutes ago. Anything that I have deleted can be restored from this 10 minutes, 1 hour, yesterday, 1 week, or even a span of time, maximum for the past 30 days. So I can customize it here and pick it, and everything will be restored. So from here I'll pick the 10 minutes because the action I took is within a 10 minutes, and I'll go and tap on undo. So once I tap on it, within some few seconds you notice the two contacts have been restored. So from here I can quickly go to my contacts. Some few seconds you notice the contact will resurface here. Perfect. So now you could see the contact have been restored back to our contact list that we have deleted. The other approach, in case the first approach didn't work for you, is to pick the contact again. So I'm going to use the two favorite contact. Delete it, of course. And then I'll also pick the other one. Delete it. So once here, what I'll do, I'll go to my Play Store and type contacts. So I'll pick the one with this logo and install it. So once installed, at this juncture, you can open your contact. So when you open it, allow it a little bit of 1 or 2 minutes to synchronize. Then go back to open your Gmail. So in your Gmail, log in with your credentials. So after you've logged in, go to the top 3 ellipses, the line that you are seeing on the left, and tap on it. Scroll down to contact and tap on contact. In the contact, locate your fix and manage. Tap on it. Here, locate your bin and tap on the bin. Here, you notice the contact that I've deleted have also resurfaced here. So you can tap on it. From here, you tap on recover. And you can also tap on this one. And you will also tap on recover. So from here, you can then quickly go back to your contact list. In a space of few seconds, you notice your contact is back. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see more content like this. Bye bye.